Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into what could be Canon's boldest move in the mirrorless APS-C space, the highly anticipated Canon EOS R7 Mark II. This isn't just a typical refresh or minor upgrade. It's a calculated leap designed to shake up the entire hybrid camera landscape and take direct aim at Sony's APS-C dominance and Fujifilm's stronghold on video-focused photography. Stick around, because this camera may just become the surprise disruptor of 2025, and we've got all the juicy leaks, spec rumors, and industry chatter to back it up. The legacy of the original EOS R7, a hybrid masterstroke to appreciate how far Canon plans to go with the R7 Mark II. Let's rewind to 2022 when the original Canon EOS R7 debuted. It was more than a new mirrorless camera, it was a statement. Canon officially stepped into the hybrid creator arena, delivering a package that merged professional-grade stills with advanced video capabilities, something few APS-C cameras truly excelled at. With a 32.5 MP CMOS sensor, 30 frames per second burst shooting, 4K 60p video, and dual-pixel CMOS AF2, the R7 quickly gained traction among content creators, wildlife photographers, and hybrid shooters. It was light, responsive, and powerful, bridging the gap between enthusiast DSLRs and pro-level mirrorless bodies. Whether you were a YouTuber, vlogger, sports shooter, or casual enthusiast, the R7 spoke to the demand for flexibility without compromise. What we know so far: Canon EOS R7 Mark II rumored features. Fast forward to 2025, and Canon looks ready to upend expectations once again. The EOS R7 Mark II is rumored to carry a stacked 40MP APS-C sensor, a groundbreaking leap that pushes APS-C cameras into territory once reserved for full-frame monsters. This isn't just about megapixels, it's about potential. Early leaks suggest that this sensor will not only boost resolution but also dramatically enhance dynamic range, low-light performance, and color accuracy. Canon seems intent on delivering a sensor that rivals full-frame performance in a compact crop sensor package. Autofocus reinvented, AI-powered precision. Where Canon is really looking to raise eyebrows is autofocus. The R7 Mark II could introduce a new AI-based subject tracking system, reportedly able to analyze and anticipate subject behavior, not just react. We're talking about real-time, predictive focus that can lock onto birds mid-flight, athletes in motion, or even your pet running through the yard, without hunting or missing the mark. If true, this could rival Sony's real-time tracking or even outperform it in some scenarios. This tech could be especially valuable for action sports, fast-paced wildlife shooting, and cinematic run-and-gun videography. A video-centric powerhouse. In disguise video shooters, this one's for you. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II could dramatically raise the ceiling for APS-C video capabilities. Leaks point toward 4K at 120 frames per second for buttery slow-motion footage, 6K raw video output via HDMI, Canon Log 3 and HDR-PQ support, 10-bit internal recording options. All of this could be packed into a compact body weighing under 650 g. If true, this camera could blur the line between mirrorless photography and cinema-grade filmmaking, giving creators flexibility previously only found in much higher-end cinema rigs. Stabilization like never before. Rumors also hint at a significantly upgraded sensor shift in-body stabilization system, possibly capable of 7 to 8 stops of shake reduction. That's gimbal-level performance right in the camera body, ideal for handheld low-light work or capturing crisp telephoto shots on the fly. This makes it a true game-changer for handheld shooters, travel vloggers, and solo content creators who can't always carry external stabilizers. Competitive landscape. What Canon's up against. To understand why the Canon EOS R7 Mark II could be so disruptive, consider what it's competing with: Sony a6700, 26MP BSI sensor, AI-powered AF, 4K 120p. Strong lens lineup, but limited third-party lens support due to Sony's restrictions. Fujifilm X-H2, 40MP sensor, film simulations, 8K video, but it's pricier and heavier, and some video workflows require external recorders. Fujifilm X-S20. Great hybrid balance with 6.2K video, but fewer native telephoto options compared to Canon's RF system. Canon, on the other hand, is building out its RFS lens ecosystem, and third-party players like Sigma and Tamron are joining the party too, unlocking a wave of affordable glass with pro-level sharpness. The lens advantage. Canon's RF mount ecosystem. One of Canon's trump cards is its robust and growing RF lens ecosystem. Whether you're looking for ultra-wide zooms, fast primes, or professional telephoto lenses, Canon has you covered, and the list keeps expanding. More importantly, unlike Sony, Canon appears to be opening the doors to more third-party manufacturers, giving users access to a broader range of budget-friendly optics without sacrificing image quality. Pair that with dual-pixel CMOS AF2 and potential enhancements in IAF, animal tracking, and subject recognition, and you've got a camera system that's incredibly well-rounded for all types of creators. Strategy over hype. Canon's silent confidence. Perhaps the most intriguing part of this story is Canon's lack of hype. No official teasers. No influencer previews. No leaked hands-on demos or event countdowns. It's possible that Canon is quietly preparing to drop this camera in strategic alignment with a broader refresh, maybe even releasing new RFS lenses at the same time. If Canon unveils this alongside new glass aimed at macro shooters, sports enthusiasts, and vloggers, it could redefine what the APS-C format stands for in 2025. Where Sony and Fujifilm play loud and fast, Canon might be playing chess, laying the foundation for a long-term hybrid ecosystem that blends cinema-level features with photographic precision. Verdict: is the Canon EOS R7 Mark II worth the wait? If the rumors prove accurate, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II could easily become the go-to APS-C hybrid camera for the next few years. It would appeal to wildlife photographers craving reach, speed, and detail, YouTubers and filmmakers needing powerful video tools, travel creators who want professional quality without the bulk, photographers switching from DSLRs to mirrorless, professionals looking for a second camera with serious capabilities. Canon's approach here isn't just spec stuffing. It's about giving creators tools that work harmoniously: reliable autofocus, excellent lens choices, meaningful video upgrades, and smart image stabilization. Final thoughts. So now it's your turn. Would you consider switching to the Canon EOS R7 Mark II if it truly delivers all of these features? Or does Sony's mature mirrorless ecosystem or Fujifilm's iconic color profile still hold your loyalty? And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you never miss the next big drop in the tech world. This has been another breakdown from Techno Trend Zone, your go-to source for camera tech, leaks, and everything in between. Until next time, keep creating, stay curious, and shoot with purpose.